Opportunities for woodworkers are everywhere. Reason number 5. Opportunities to earn significant income from your woodworking abilities are everywhere. And the economy is thriving. Today is an excellent day to start your own woodshop. Currently, the economy is strong and continuing to grow. But that can change at any time, and it will eventually. That's why your time to act is now. It's the best possible time to start your woodworking business. It's the most opportunistic time to get going, simply because more people are in a buying mode. This means people are buying lots of things made from wood, including big-ticket items. For the small custom shop, money-making jobs like kitchens, home offices, and personal libraries are ripe for the picking. Sure, not every homeowner is interested in a custom-built office suite, or large home library. But every home has a kitchen and plenty of homeowners are interested in upgrades in this key area. With the growing economy, more retail outlets continue to open up everywhere. And these stores need shelving, service counters, display racks, showcases, and the like. Larger businesses of all kinds need furniture for their offices, showrooms, service areas, meeting rooms, training rooms, and lobbies. There's plenty of money available from numerous businesses and they're often willing to spend more on certain pieces like boardroom tables, executive office suites, and reception desks, the key areas most often seen by their prospects and clients. Look around for new businesses just setting up, and introduce yourself. Let them know about your skills and capabilities. Network with interior designers, architects, suppliers, other trades, and general contractors. These people regularly have a need for woodworking jobs, or the people they are working for at the time do. The more of these people you connect with and prove your woodworking prowess to, the more money-making jobs you can have coming your way. Another option, though it actually takes much longer to land jobs, is through organizations like government offices, public facilities like libraries, and community centers. Typically, those jobs get tendered and once you're in business, you can quote on them just like anyone else. You might not get the plumb jobs right away and that's okay. What you can pick up are parts of larger jobs. Think in terms of storage cabinets, closet racking, side tables, small display racks and shelves of all kinds. Start building your network even before opening the doors of your shop. Every business and homeowner is a potential client. But you need to become known to these people by your brand, and that's why marketing is so important in your own business. To accelerate your path to maximum profits, click the link below in the description.